What if a robot could cook your dinner, clean your entire house, and give you back hours of your life while you just relax? That future is here, and it's called Tesla Bot Gen 3. What if I told you that the future you've been dreaming about is finally here? Imagine walking into your home after a long day, and instead of worrying about cooking dinner or cleaning the mess your kids made, a robot does it all in just 2 hours. Yes, you heard that right. 2 hours. Important point. And here's the mind-blowing part. You could own this robot next year for less than the cost of a luxury car. How is that even possible? This November, Tesla is officially launching the Tesla Bot Gen 3, also known as Optimus, and it's about to change everything you thought you knew about robots. For years, humanoid robots were just a concept, something straight out of a sci-fi movie. But today, thanks to Elon Musk and his team at Tesla, we're stepping into a reality where a robot can cook dinner, clean your entire house, and handle countless daily chores, all with a level of precision and speed that is absolutely mind-blowing. The Gen 3 Tesla bot is not just another machine. It's the culmination of years of AI training, hardware upgrades, and relentless innovation at Tesla's Fremont factory. And here's the kicker. It's expected to hit the market next year with a price tag between $30,000 and $50,000. That's right. For less than the cost of a luxury car, you could own your very own personal assistant that never sleeps, never complains, and can learn new tasks every single day. Important point. Imagine coming home after a stressful day, and instead of chores, you're greeted with a perfectly cooked dinner. Wouldn't that feel like magic? Background: Tesla bot history. Before we dive into Gen 3, let's take a step back. Tesla first unveiled the concept of a humanoid robot, Optimus, a few years ago. The early versions, Gen 1 and Gen 2, showed promising mobility, basic task handling, and potential for industrial applications. But there was a catch. They were slow, limited in capabilities, and mostly prototypes. Gen 3 changes the game entirely. This version isn't just designed for factories or research labs. Tesla is now training Optimus to be a household companion, capable of handling the tasks most of us dread daily. Cooking, cleaning, organizing. It can do it all. The leap from Gen 2 to Gen 3 is as dramatic as moving from a flip phone to a smartphone. Elon Musk has been clear. The goal is to make Optimus as versatile as a human worker, but faster, more precise, and capable of performing hundreds of tasks that were previously impossible for robots. Important point. And here's the crazy part. This robot doesn't just follow orders. It actually learns new tasks every single day, like a human, but faster, and without ever forgetting. Tesla Bot Gen 3 features. Human-like hands. One of the most revolutionary features of Gen 3 is its 22-degree of freedom hand design. To put it in perspective, humans have 27 joints in their fingers, along with a complex system of muscles and tendons, allowing us to thread needles or grip objects delicately. Tesla has replicated this in Optimus, with dozens of actuators in each hand. This means the robot can handle fragile objects like eggs, slice tomatoes perfectly, spread mayonnaise on bread with precision, and even serve meals without dropping a thing. While other humanoid robots struggle with basic dexterity, Gen 3 is redefining what is possible. Important point. Could you imagine a robot handling your kid's messy snack without breaking a single plate or spilling a drop? That's exactly what Gen 3 can do. 2. AI learning and video simulation. Optimus doesn't need to be programmed for every task. Thanks to its self-learning AI, it can watch videos of humans performing a task and replicate it flawlessly. Whether it's making a sandwich or folding laundry, the robot can learn quickly, make adjustments, and perfect the skill. Tesla calls this sim-to-real learning, and it's what gives Optimus its incredible task flexibility. It's almost like having a human brain built into a robot body, except it never forgets, and it learns faster than any human possibly could. Important point. And get this, Optimus can watch a single video once and instantly master the skill. What if it learned your grandma's secret recipes in minutes? Smooth, human-like mobility. Most humanoid robots walk stiffly or awkwardly. Optimus Gen 3, however, boasts fluid, natural walking movements, able to navigate complex home environments without tripping or stumbling. It can move between rooms, avoid furniture, children, pets, and even step over obstacles with ease. By the time it goes on sale, Elon Musk says Optimus will be able to walk at human speed, almost never falling, a huge leap compared to previous generations and competitors. 4. Hardware upgrades. Gen 3 comes packed with hardware improvements, OLED display for visual feedback, Grok voice integration for commands and interaction, larger battery pack for extended operation, faster actuators and improved motors for precision work. With these upgrades, Tesla Bot Gen 3 can work smarter, faster, and longer, making it a truly practical household companion. Important point. Could you imagine a world where chores are done before you even step inside? Tesla Bot Gen 3 is making that reality. Cooking and cleaning capabilities. Cooking. Optimus can prepare breakfast, sandwiches, or even simple dinners. It can slice vegetables, spread condiments, and plate food like a professional chef. Thanks to its AI, it can watch a video once and instantly replicate the recipe in real life. Cleaning, vacuuming, mopping, picking up toys, taking out the trash, Optimus handles it all in just 2 hours. Imagine never worrying about a messy house again. Efficiency. Tesla Bot Gen 3 doesn't just perform these tasks, it does them faster and more accurately than most humans could, turning chores that used to take hours into minutes. During demonstrations at the Fremont factory, Optimus successfully cooked full meals and cleaned an entire mock home in just 2 hours, something that seemed impossible even a year ago. Important point. 2 hours to cook, clean, and organize your home. Would you believe it if we told you it really happened at Tesla's factory? AI and learning mechanism. How does Tesla Bot do all this? The magic is in its AI learning mechanism. Optimus is trained using hours of videos of humans performing everyday tasks. It processes these videos in a simulated environment, repeats the actions, learns from mistakes, and perfects the skill before performing it in the real world. Unlike traditional robots, it doesn't need to be manually programmed step by step. Instead, it develops task extensibility, meaning it can apply learned skills to new tasks quickly. For example, if it learns how to slice a tomato, it can immediately adapt that skill to slice a bell pepper or avocado. The result? A robot that can continuously improve, expanding its usefulness day by day. Important point. And the best part? Every day this robot gets smarter, more precise, and capable of tasks we never imagined a machine could do. Competitors and industry impact. Tesla isn't the only player in the humanoid robot game. Companies like UBT and Figure 2 are making waves with advanced battery systems and AI learning models. Figure 2, for instance, uses a vision language action AI called Helix, allowing it to perform delicate household tasks like loading dishwashers or folding clothes. Yet Tesla Bot Gen 3 has a distinct advantage: household focus combined with adaptable AI, advanced mobility, and superior dexterity. It's the only robot capable of combining cooking, cleaning, and learning new tasks from videos at this level of precision. This is not just a product, it's a paradigm shift in how we think about humanoid robotics. Important point: could a robot replace a human assistant completely? Tesla Bot Gen 3 is pushing us to rethink everything about work and home life, benefits and real-world impact. The potential benefits of Tesla Bot Gen 3 are enormous. Household convenience. Save hours every day while the robot handles chores. Time saving for professionals. Focus on work or personal life while Optimus handles mundane tasks. Assistance for the elderly or disabled. Tasks that were once difficult or impossible become manageable. Industrial applications. Factories can deploy humanoid robots for repetitive tasks safely and efficiently. It's not just about convenience, it's about changing lifestyles and productivity forever. Important point. Imagine a world where your parents, grandparents, or even kids could have help anytime they need it. Optimus could make that dream real. Concerns and ethical considerations. Of course, with great power comes great responsibility. The rise of humanoid robots brings challenges. Job replacement. Could robots eventually replace humans in households and factories? Over-reliance. Will we lose our ability to perform basic tasks if we rely too much on robots? Safety and ethics. Who is responsible if a robot causes an accident? How is personal data protected? Elon Musk and Tesla are aware of these issues, but it's something we as a society will need to navigate carefully in the coming years. Finally, so what do you think? Will the Tesla Bot Gen 3 finally make humanoid robots a reality in our homes? Are you ready to have a personal assistant that cooks, cleans, and adapts to your needs? The future is no longer decades away. It's here, and Optimus Gen 3 is leading the charge. From AI learning to human-like dexterity, from cleaning entire houses in just 2 hours to preparing meals with surgical precision, Tesla has once again pushed the boundaries of technology. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Tesla Bot Gen 3, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, Road Zone Reviews, for more exciting updates on Tesla, AI, and cutting-edge technology. Let us know in the comments, if you could have Optimus in your home, what tasks would you let it handle first? Important point, the future isn't coming. It's already here, walking, cooking, and cleaning. Are you ready to welcome it into your home? Stay tuned, keep exploring the future, and we'll see you in the next video.